Hi everyone, I'm Muskan and welcome to Speak English with Muskan. Want to speak fluently and understand easily? Learn with real conversations, listening practice, and pronunciation tips. Subscribe now and start speaking English with confidence. Basic greetings and introduction.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Subscribe my channel.
I'm fine too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Priya. What's yours?
My name is Rowan. Nice to meet you, Priya.
Nice to meet you too, Rowan.
Talking about daily life.
What do you do every day?
I go to college and study. What about you?
I work in an office.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Family and friends.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family. What about yours?
I have 4 members in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother. Do you?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Hobbies and interests.
What are your hobbies?
I love reading books. What about you?
I enjoy playing football.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching action movies. What kind of movies do you like?
I prefer comedy movies.
Subscribe my channel. 6. Food and drink.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's yours?
I like pasta.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. And you?
I like tea.
7. Shopping and money.
Do you like shopping?
Subscribe my channel.
Yes, I enjoy shopping. What about you?
I don't like shopping much.
Do you prefer online shopping or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping because it's easy. What about you?
I like in-store shopping because I can see the products.
8. Weather and seasons.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. How is it in your city?
It's a little cold here.
Which season do you like the most?
I love winter. What about you?
I like summer.
9. Travel and transportation.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places. Do you travel often?
Not much, but I want to travel more.
Which country do you want to visit?
Subscribe my channel.
I want to visit France. What about you?
I want to go to Japan.
10. Work and education.
What do you do?
I am a student, and you?
I work as an engineer.
What are you studying?
I am studying computer science. What did you study?
I studied business management.
11. Random questions.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you like pets?
Yes, I love cats.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax and watch movies. What about you?
I go out with friends.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, and yours?
I like red. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person. What about you?
I am a night owl.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, sometimes. Do you?
Not really. I believe in hard work.
Subscribe my channel.
What is your favorite sport?
Yes, I love playing badminton.
Do you play any sports?
I enjoy playing cricket.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with Muskan. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.